There is no self at all. So yajna is selfless action. Selfless means when we are doing yajna, it will be for the benefit of all other people. And other people, when they are benefited, we are also benefited because of that. Therefore, benefit is the most important thing that we have to do. And that's why this Brahma Yajna happens to be a most important thing. And also, you know that in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna points out that first yajnas are also created before the creation. That is, yajna is timetable, the calendar, and that kind of calendar has been given to us. And Tani dharmani prathamanyasan. So the dharma is yajna, and these are the duties, and they became the prime and most important priority to all people. Therefore, we talk about Brahma, any yajna, there are so many yajnas are there. For example, we got Panchamaha Yajna. And another thing is in the yajna, we have Dhanam also included. So today, in the name of our departed fathers, through some Dhanam is also very important. And the other one, also this day we can teach something, we can share our ideas, we learn something and try to revise whatever little learning we have been making. All that is there comes under Brahma Yajnam. And here, this particular text which we are following since some time, then here Deva Tarpana we have done. Tarpana is most important. Trupti comes where your Tarpanam. Tarpana Trupti. Tarpanam is an act of trying to cause Trupti to get into them. Therefore, it is called Tarpanam. So we have gone through who are the gods who are most important, to whom we have got to offer the Tarpanam or Trupti to them. So we have noted in the series that Devagum Starpayami Brahmadayo ye Deva Tan Devagum Starpayami. So all gods begin from taking the name of Brahma. So Brahma is the erstwhile God, erstwhile creation by Narayana, and that creation has come up from the Nabhi of Narayana, as we see from Puranas, and his seat is the most softest one, the Kamalam, the lotus. So from that, that means all gods have got comfortable seating and comfortable time because they are all punyavantas, so punya janas. Therefore, Brahmadayo Devaha ye santi tan devan aham tarpayami. And then we have Devaganaha. Different kinds of Devaganas are there. What do you mean by Gana? There is also the instance of grouping. You have got terrestrial gods. According to the mythology, we have terrestrial gods, Bhudevaganasa. We have got Antarikshaloka Devatas, Juloka Bhut Devatas, everywhere. So they are all forming the Gana society or a kind of grouping. Grouping is almost important because when nobody can help not forming a group that everybody's experienced. Though there are 100 students in the classroom, only 4 or 5 people would be having a group. And like that, several groups will be in the class. And like that, so even among the gods, the grouping is important. Devaganaha. And all the Devaganas are also having the Patnis. So they are called Devapatni, Sarvan Devapatni Tarpayami, the respective wives. Therefore, our Indian culture, our Vedic tradition tells you that as much important is the pati, so much important is patni. Therefore, dharma patni is important. And so even the patnis are also being given. And sarvan devaputragum starpayami. So all devaputras, Subramanya, Ganapati, Santoshi Mata, etc. All these people are all devaputras. And one more thing is that no deva has got the child born through their dharma patnis, and that is the shapa given by Parvati from Bhagavad Purana, that gods are deprived, that they can't have the children directly through their respective wives. But afterwards, the wives will admit them also as their thing. But whatever it is, it's a different question. So Deva Putragum Starpayami and Deva Sarvan Deva Pautragum Starpayami. Pautra is the next generation, third generation. So 3 generations of people live, and them also we take into count. And next, Bhudevagam Sarpayami, we have already done that. Bhudevaha, those gods who are present upon the ground, upon the earth. So not only the Brahmins is Bhudeva, but also the trees, because gods occupy respective Prakriti items upon the earth. You know, Arunachala mountain, all people make pradakshina of that. And Kailasa mountain, or so many mountains are there which are really celestial, and to them we make namaskara. And and also trees, Vriksha Devatas are there, Vana Devatas are there. So all these Bhudevas are being made satiated with the water we are offering. Next, similarly, we have got Bhuva Devaha, the Antariksha Deva. There are so many gods who are also dwelling in the Antariksha Loka. In fact, as I told, even there are Rishis, Maharshis who stay in Antariksha Loka and continue their puja and meditation and tapas. It is said by Kalidasa in Abhijnana Sakuntalam that Marichi and some of the Rishis are there, and Dushyanta visited the ashrama and got his son Bharata picked up along with his wife Sakuntala and come back to the land to rule the land. Like that, we have so many Puranic stories illustrate that there are Bhuva Devataha and Suvar Devataha, the heavenly bodies, heavenly gods are there. And so all the gods, Bhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Devaha clubbed together, we'll have a combined offering when we say Bhur Bhuvaswar Devagum Starpayami. I am going to please satiate all these devas connected to Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka, and all of them are implied here. So this we do it Upaviti. Now Niviti, you have to change the direction, because our Yajnopavita is always a UPS like guiding the directions. Therefore, when you do the Niviti, will change the direction or the posture of the Yajnopavita, you are now on to that particular pathway, because there are, as we have got so many byways, lanes, national highways, and so on, expressways and all that, even in the after the parts and even the Antariksha Loka and elsewhere, we have so many pathways. And which pathway has got to be taken or which road has got to be taken depends upon the kind of punyam that we have done upon this earth. Therefore, our duty upon the earth is, besides all the efforts, qualifications, skills that we acquire to earn our grub, earn our living and food and all that, we have something plus. That plus is what is called as caring the God, caring the religion, caring the philosophy. And all this religion, philosophy and everything has been provided to us by the great rishis, because they have gone higher up into the planes of spiritual cosmos, and then they were able to get so much of knowledge. So they are otherwise called as rishis. So rishi is one who is plus, who is able to get on in meditation and able to derive knowledge, secret knowledge, and but share them to the humanity for the next generations completely. So who are the beginning? First erstwhile rishis to mention with here, Krishna Dvaipad, Krishna Dvaipayanadayo, ye rishaya, tan rishigum starpayami, starpayami. So when Rishi Darpana we are making, it is said that we have to do it 2 times, tarpayami, tarpayami. And similarly, when you do in Mahanyasam, there you say, bhavam devam tarpayami, bhavasya devasya patnim, tarpayami, tarpayami. So the woman, woman and the goddesses, women, and then the rishis have got exclusive importance, and so we have to do 2 times, I think so. I don't know why we are making 2 times, but still we can imagine it's only a matter of emphasis and drawing their attention from their own meditative jobs. Therefore, Krishna Dvaipayana, that is Vyasa Bhagavan, because Vyasa is immediately important Rishi Rupa of Mahavishnu. As we say, Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya, Vishnu Rupaya, Vishnu Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave, Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye, Vasisthaya Namo Namaha. So this is how we make a prayer, that Krishna Dvaipayana is next to the God, Vishnu. So that's why Vishnu Tarpanam also indirectly we are doing it. Then we have got Sarvan Rishigum Tarpayami, Tarpayami. Actually, we don't know how many rishis are there, how many seers are there. See, kahas rishihi mantra drashtaraha rishayaha. Those who are able to perceive the mantras. And they're all mantras means the products of thinking, deep thinking. And one of the definition of mantra is mananat mantra. Because of the capability, requirement, they can be kept on brooding over, meditating and working. So remembering them is called mantra. See, you cannot forget mantra, you will forget people. But generally, in case of mantra, we are not supposed to forget the Rishi, Devata and Chandas who are there in that particular mantra. This is something different. But human life, you forget all people, including their name and other things. But when you talk about the mantra, it is divine and celestial. You have to remember the Rishi, Devata, and Chandas. So Rishi first, because he is one who brings down the secret mantras or secret thoughts to our table. Therefore, we do not know the names of all rishis. We just talk about the group of rishis. Among them, we have got Sapta rishis are there, and 7 rishis, and some other rishis who are Gotra rishis, and though these are important for us. So they were the Veda rishis and Gotra rishis, we remember more. But still there are so many rishis. And for all of them put together, in other words, we say there are hundreds and thousands of rishis are there. Our ಹೆಸರುಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Something like we don't know our previous forefathers' names. We know our father, mother. We may be knowing for grandfather and grandmother. We may not know anything beyond. But they have also life, they have also all that. But this is the occasion today, Samhalaya Amavasya, one day in the year, where all Pitrudevatas become equal, common to all the living beings. And therefore, this is a black day. Actually, America people say black day, Black Friday or Good Friday, like that they keep on naming. But in India, for us, I think this particular Amavasya is said to be the black day, or it's a Sunyam. That is Amavasya, Sunyam, there cannot be moon. You know why the Amavasya comes? Ama is one of the important, powerful rays of sun, Ama Kiranam. And in this Karana, during the night time, sun and moon will be together. And there will be, because of that, the moon gets charged. And then next day, he will be appearing on the sky with digit 1, digit 2, and so on, 16 digits. And he will be losing and gaining. So this is how, when in Shukla Paksha, we see him gaining, something like charging, getting day by day, day by day. By Purnima, the charge is complete. Therefore, Purnima is more important. And on Namavasya, the charge is completely done with, and he will be starting charging himself. So these are all the two important things which become an act sacrifice. Yagna, that's what we call. But our ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಗುರುಗಳೇ?
ಈ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಯಜ್ಞ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಸೊ ಅದ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಸನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ he has started ವಿಷೇತ್ವೋರ್ಜೇತ್ವಾ ವಾಯವಸ್ಥೋಪಾಯವಸ್ಥ ಅಂತ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನನಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ದರ್ಶ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಸ ಅಂತ.
ಅದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದರ್ಶ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಸಾತ್ಮನೇ ಇದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಯಾರು? ದರ್ಶ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಆತ್ಮನೇ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದರ್ಶ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಸ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸಸ್ ದರ್ಶ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಸದಿಂದ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಜುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ದರ್ಶ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಸ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ಯಜ್ಞದ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳಿಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ ಯಜ್ಞ. ಅಂಡ್ ಕೊನೆಯದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿತೃಮೇಧ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಮೇಧ. ಈ ಸರ್ವಮೇಧ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಜ್ಞ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಉಪನಿಷತ್. ಹಾಗೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ಲೆಸ್ ದರ್ಶ ಪೂರ್ಣಮಾಸ ಯಜ್ಞ ದೇಯುಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಋಷಿಗಳು so Tan Rushigum Tarpayami, I'm going somewhere. So Darsha Purnamasa is when sun and moon are together, and actually in grammar and elsewhere, the Darsha Purnamasa or Amavasya is a big subject. I had one colleague by name Balasubramaniam, who has done extensive research on the word Amavasya from various aspects. So from him only I could come to know that Amavasya has so much history behind and importance around it, because he has done good work on that. But unfortunately, he's not now. But he was very much. I remember him on this day, because one joke about him is, in case of his love, in the case of his life, it was reverse Ramayana, because his wife was in India, he was in Ceylon as a professor in Jaffna College for 14 years. So we used to cut joke, but he used to come, of course, but he was, so his wife was in India, Tirupati, and he was in Jaffna, Ceylon. But anyway, he's a very great, deep scholar, done a lot of work, Balasubramaniam. Anyway, let him have good time now. And he was very close to us. Yes, then Sarvan Rushipatnim Tarpayami. So Rushi Ganan Tarpayami. So Rushin Tarpayami is the major Rushis. Rushi Gana is also clubbed. Though they are not high ranking, but still they come under the group of Rushi Gana. Something like our Kavis. See, Kavayaha, Kalidasyaadhyaha Kavayaha, Vayamapi Kavayaha anta ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಕವನ ಬರೀತಾರೋ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ, ಸಾಹಿತಿ ಕವಿ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಕವಿಗಳು ಸಾಹಿತಿಗಳು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಹ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾಳಿದಾಸಾದಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಹ ಕವೀಶ್ವರಾಹ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಕವೀಶ್ವರಗಳ ಗುಂಪು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಅಂತ ಗುಂಪುಗೆ ನಾವು ತರ್ಪಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಋಷಿ ಗುಂಪಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ತರ್ಪಣ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಾನ್ ಋಷಿಗಣಾನ್ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋತ್ರ ಋಷಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾಮಿತ್ರ ಗೋತ್ರ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಮಿತ್ರ ಸಗೋತ್ರ, ಕಾಶ್ಯಪ ಗೋತ್ರ, ಕಾಶ್ಯಪ ಸಗೋತ್ರ ಅಂಡ್ ಭರದ್ವಾಜ ಗೋತ್ರ, ಭರದ್ವಾಜ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಸಗೋತ್ರಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಗೋತ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ issue and study. And if you want to know more about this book, this aspect, there was one great professor of sociology in Bombay University. He has written about this gotras and all that in a book, Gotra Systems. And there, Ghurye, Ghure, I think he's a Maharashtrian or somebody. So the sociological professor, we have done a lot of research work on that. Therefore, we also say that Sagotras, it's a parallel Gotras. So that's why we imply them also in our Tarpana deed. So Sarvan Rishiganan Starpayami. Then Sarvan Rishipatnim Starpayami. So Rishipatni, Guru Patni, both are important. So Rishipatniyannu ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತರ್ಪಣ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Because in our Indian system, as much important is man, so much important is woman also. Therefore, they say, Yatra naryastu pujyante tatra ramante devataah. This is our India. So the Naris are also having a great importance. And because they are actually for Samsara Ratha, 2 wheels are there, husband and wife. That's why they are called Dam. Dam is house. Pati is dual. That is, the wife and husband form Dampati. In Aruna Prashna, probably you are not coming to the Aruna Prashna classes. Doesn't matter, because it is early hours for you or otherwise. So, but anyway, we must all thank Seshatulaya. He is putting on YouTube the Aruna Prashna, where you get a lot of gold information on various things which we have got to know in our own daily life or in our life. Therefore, see, Rishipatnin Tarpayami means the one point I can give you here, but those ladies who incline to study Veda, who practice Veda, who give importance for Vedic tradition, who support the respect husbands doing the religious deeds, they are really equal to men. So Striyas Satihi. So all the Stri and Satis who support their husbands for their religious deeds, they are also called human males and very much powerful. And Manusmruti tells that those people, those girls who get married and they become Brahma, they become eligible for Grihasthashrama, and they are very important, like Upanita Vatu. When they become mother, they become Vipras. So that's why, though a little late, the status has been given to the women, because they have early maturity compared to man. Man's maturity is slow, while the women get maturity quickly, and therefore they are able to control and rule and be as mentors to so many people in the world. Therefore, that's why Krishna, for example, Kalidasa said, Shastrena Panditaha Purushaha Nisargadeva Panditaha Striyaha. They need not go to school and college like boys, but they get, as they are in a home, they get all knowledge and managerial skills and expertise, they get it. They don't want to take management degree, but they know better to manage everything. Like that, here, Rishipatni Gum Starpayami. And afterwards, then we have got Sarvan Rishi Putra Gum Tarpayami. You see, as much important are the fathers, so much important are the sons. That we should note. Somebody has put some smarts and tells you, up to 5 years, you dandle the baby boy or baby girl. From 5 to 10 years, you just instruct to punish or become angry and anything up to 5 to 10 years. From 10 to 15 years, help them in their education and formation and intelligence, because teens begin. From 16 years afterwards, Mitravada Atare Tantare. So consider your child as your friend, not anything different. Therefore, you always have got great regard for the friend. You listen to your friend's advice many times, and like that, here too we have got Rishiputra Gum Tarpayami. Putra has got number of definitions and all that. Generally say Putras are those who try to liberate their departed father from a hell by name Pum. So there is one hell, there are a number of hells are there. Don't think there is only one hell department. Hell itself is a big layout, is a big township. Something like any town we have got hundreds of layouts are there, layouts are there, areas are there. Even in the hell also, we must want GPS where the fellow has gone after leaving the body. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಬೇರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಭಯ. Therefore, ನಾವು ಅದರ ತಂಟೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. In fact, I have my desire to conduct a seminar upon the eschatology, the life after death and disposal of the death and the journey of the death, and what are the respective places that the death will go, how long they remain until they are given again chance to be born. You see, all people in Taittiriya Upanishad, in other places, we get the impression that not all people who die will be born immediately. There is a time lag, and they have to wait for time, and then if they Aruna Prashna, you get it. And all people, te sarira prapadyante yatha punyasya karmanah apanyapādake shāsah tatra te yo nijājanah Brutva punarmrutyama patyante adyamana swakarmabhihi. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ನು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ನನ್ನ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ ಅರುಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ. 4 years I have taken to just draft it out and get it done. Solve Surya Bhagavan Anugraha and your Ashirvadas. That I was able to give out one small book in English. Though there are wonderful commentaries, Bhattavaskara's commentary is there, all that. But ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಬರ್ತ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಬರ್ತ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜನ್ಮ ಸಿಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾಪುಣ್ಯ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಜನ್ಮ ಕರ್ಮ ಚಮೇ ವಿದ್ಧಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಅರ್ಜುನಿಗೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಯ್ಯ, ಜನ್ಮ ಅಂಡ್ ಕರ್ಮ you should know. My janma, my karma is altogether different from your janma and your karma. Karma ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕರ್ಮ, ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮ ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧ ಕರ್ಮ, ಆಗಾಮಿ ಕರ್ಮ, ಸಂಚಿತ ಕರ್ಮ, and so on. We have got so many karma divisions. ಸೊ ಈ ತರಹ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಓಂಕಾರಪ್ಪನವರೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಅದು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಆದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅರ್ತ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೇ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪಾಥೇಯವನ್ನು ಆರ್ಜನ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ಣೇ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವೇನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಋಷಿಪುತ್ರಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ. And again, they have got also great grandchildren. Grandchildren, sarvan rishi pautragum starpayami. Pautra andre putrasya putraha, putriyaha putriyaha. So all those next generation people also are taken into account. Thereby, you cannot, while giving tarpana, accept anybody. you should accept to give tarpanam to all these people. Rishipautragum tarpayami tarpayami. In ordinary days, with ordinary days we make tarpana with mere water, ನೀರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ತಿಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಲ ಅಂಜುಹೋಮಿ ಸರಸ ಆಗುಂ ಸಪಿಷ್ಟಾನ್ ಗಂಧಾರಮ ಚಿತ್ತೇ ರಮಂತು ಸ್ವಾಹ ಗಾವೋ ಹಿರಣ್ಯಂ ಧನಮನ್ನಪಾನಗುಂ ಸರ್ವೇಶಾಗುಂ. ಇದು ಮಹಾನಾರಾಯಣ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಹಾನಾರಾಯಣ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ತು. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿ encyclopedic knowledge of our entire Vedic system to some extent, because that belongs to Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda, and also belongs to the three Aranyaka section before, because Upanishads and Aranyakas form unit, because they are both put together, treated as the philosophical treatises. They speak about philosophy, and philosophy implies also rituals, which will help you for your philosophical mounting. Therefore, Pautragam Tarpayami Tarpayani. As I told you earlier, there are rishis occupying 3 lokas. Therefore, ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತರ್ಪಣ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಭೂಹು ಋಷಿಗುಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಋಷಿಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ತೃಪ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ನೀರಿಂದ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಮಾನವಾದ ನೀರಿನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಇನ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಡೇಸ್, ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ವಾಶ್ ಬೇಸಿನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ವಾಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸಚ್ಚ ಸೋಮಾರ್ತನ. ಇನ್ನು 5 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೊಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕರ್ಚೀಫ್ ಥರ ಬೆಳೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕೈ ಶುಭ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೀರನ್ನ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಷ್ಟಬೇಡ. ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆರೆಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ನದಿಯಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಗಾಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಲಾಟ್. Therefore, in Rudram, you come across in the first section, Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya Namaste Rudramanyavauto Taishave Namaha. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉದಹಾರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಉದಹಾರ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the ladies also used to support the religious program and sacrifice or abhisheka, etc. by the men in the house by supplying water, bringing water from distant areas even. Therefore, that such ladies have got udaharya. So in our Vedic system, what is the work given for the ladies? I don't know any lady is there in our group. Yar is there ma lady? So the work has been there. What is the work assigned to the lady? ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೇನೋ ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಂತ್ರಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚಾರಿ ಶತಮರ್ಕಟ ಅಂತ. One brahmachari is equal to 100 monkeys. ಚಲನ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಆ ಚಲನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟ ವರ್ಷ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಬಾಯ್ ರೀಚಸ್ 8 years, he is eligible to start controlling the vagaries of the mind. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ 8 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಬಾಯನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಉಪನಯನ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ವರ್ಷ ಭವೇದ್ ಗೌರಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗುವ ಗರ್ಲ್ಗೆ 8 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಉಪನಯನ, ಅವಳಿಗೇನೋ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ತರಹ ನಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ancestors have given a lot of planning calendar for the human birth upon the earth. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ 30 ವರ್ಷ 35 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. 1 or 2 children ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೋವಿಂದ, ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರು ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಬಟ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆ ತರಹ ಅಲ್ಲ, 10 children. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಋಗ್ವೇದ ವಿವಾಹ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ದಶಪುತ್ರ ಭವಾಯಿಯಂ ಭವ. ಯು ಬಿ ದಿ ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ 10 children ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಏಕಾದಶ ಪುತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. Therefore, the lady is able to manage 11 children, other than of course daughters separately, And so 10 sons are required. In fact, we know so many families earlier who are 10 brothers. For example, that Suryanarayana, that Veena master, Veena expert, they're all 10 brothers, all are Veena people. I know one of them was our daughter's teacher, Akash. So Ataraha, it was like that. So Rishi Sarvabhuvaha Bhuhu Rishigam Tarpayami, then Bhuvaha Rishin Tarpayami. I told you that even in the Antariksha Loka, there are some special. ಈ ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಋಷಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಋಷಿಗಳು ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಅಂತರಿಕ್ಷ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತಪಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡುವಷ್ಟು ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. So in 7th act, Abhignana Sakuntalam, you go to have one sample sloka where the Antariksha Loka Rishis are doing penance under what atmosphere. So Devanamidam, no, there he says that, I'll get it to sloka, I'll tell you. But anyway, so here the context is, even those rishis who are upon the ground, they want to be rishis in the Antariksha Loka. So Abhuvaha Rishigum Tarpayami and Suvaha Rishigum Tarpayami. So ಸ್ವರ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಋಷಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ನಾರದ, ಅಗಸ್ತ್ಯ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವರ್ಗಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. And even gods also expect the Deva Rishi. They are called Deva Rishis. So for example, Narada is a Deva Rishi. Even among the rishis there are ranks like Rishi, Maharishi, and Deva Rishi, and so on. So even Brahmanallu kuda namge ranking ide, promotion. Bari office alli matra promotion goskara kashta padbekagilla. You will be clerk, head clerk, superintendent, officer, section in charge. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರಾಗಿ, ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯರಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ರ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಜಪೇಯ ಯಜ್ಞ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಯಜ್ಞಾಸ್, ಯಾರು ವಾಜಪೇಯ ಯಜ್ಞವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ he will be called as a ಮಹಾಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ರಾಜಸೂಯ ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ, ಅವರನ್ನ ಮಹಾರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ರಾಜ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಮಹಾರಾಜ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ the rajas are also called Raja Rishis. So they live like Raja, like they live the life of Rishi, though they are royal people. That's exactly what Rama told Sita the moment he married her and brought to his own father's place. There he says, Rishibihi tulyam mam vidhi kevalam dharma asritaha. ರಾಮಾಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಲಕಾಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಾಪ ರಾಮ ಸೀತೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಾಹಮರ್ಥಪರೋ ದೇವಿ ಕೇವಲಂ ಧರ್ಮ ಆಶ್ರಿತ. ಸೊ ಅಮ್ಮ, ನಾನು ದುಡ್ಡು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಈ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾಹಂ ಅರ್ಥಪರಃ, ಬಟ್ ಕೇವಲಂ ಧರ್ಮ ಆಶ್ರಿತ. ಋಷಿಭಿ ತುಲ್ಯಂ ಮಾಂ ವಿದ್ಧಿ. Please consider me like a Rishi. In fact, he became a Rishi. Not long time he was in the royal palace with his wife. He was sent out as a Rishi into the forest. So he was only eating kandamulas and living the Rishi life. Therefore, what for the avatar of Vishnu as Rama, the first Manava of importance, then Manavottamudaina Ramachandradu, we remember him, is a Manava Ramachandra, Manavottama, and Maryada Rama, etc. All that is there. Anyway, so here the Rishis also want to have their rank improvement. They are to be Rishis upon the ground, on the earth, in the Antariksha Loka and in the higher Loka. And to such Rishis also we have to take into account on this Amavasya day or on every day, giving them water tarpanam to them. Then Bhurbhuvasvaha Rishigam tarpayami. So ಈ ಮೂರು ಭೂರ್ಭುವಃ, ಈ ಮೂರು ಲೋಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಋಷಿಗಳನ್ನ ಇನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತರ್ಪಣೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ತರ್ಪಣ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ and collective tarpana is one. That's why, whenever you want to address the audience, brothers and sisters or ladies and gentlemen, atara martalo, the collective addressal to each and everyone. In that manner, I think, Bhur Bhuvasvaha Rishigum Tarpayami Tarpayami. So this set is over. Now, we have got Kandas, Yajurvedalli, Kandagalu. The Yajurveda mantras have been classified into Kanda, Prapataka, and Kandika anta madidare. So Prathama Kanda, Dvitiya Kanda, Tritiya Kanda. Something like Ramayana being divided as Kandas only. So Kishkinda Kanda and all that. So Ramayana division is equal to that of the Yajurveda division. That's why Rama is supposed to be Yajurveda Vinita. It means that he is a practical hero who is on the arena to help promotion of dharma, to punish adharma people. Therefore, here we have got the Kanda rishis. Kanda, what is the meaning of the word Kanda? Madhav avare yarana heltira Kanda ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ? ಕಾಂಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕಾಂಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
ಕಾಂಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂಲ, ಬೇರು.
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾ
ಬೇರು. ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾಂಡ ಶಬ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಯಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್. It can be useful, at the same time can be more useful with its developed branches. Therefore,
ಒಂದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಡಾತ್ ಪ್ರರೋಹಂತಿ ಪರುಷತ್ ಪರೀಂತರಿ.
ಅದೇ ಆ ಸೂಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ದೂರ್ವ ಟ್ವಿಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್, ಕಾಂಡಾತ್ ಪ್ರರೋಹಂತಿ ಪರುಷತ್ ಪರಿ ಸಹಸ್ರೇಣ ಶತೇನ ಚ ಅರ್ಥವತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ನೋ. ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ವೇದ ವಾಸನೆಗಳು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂತೋಷ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೇದಾಧ್ಯಯನ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ವೇದ ಪುರುಷ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷಿಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ದೇ ಆರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ branches of our mantra system which are found in the Vedas. And even Bhagavata is also Vruksha. Bhagavata Vrukshasya. And Samsara is also Vruksha. Samsara Vrukshasya Dve Bije anta. So even for Samsara Vruksha there are branches. Like that, the Kanda is being very well used. So please repeat now. Om Prajapatim Kandarushim Tarpayami. ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಾವ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ?
ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿಂ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ. ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿಂ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸೋಮಂ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ. 77 ಪೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್
ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸೋಮಂ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸೋಮಂ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಅಗ್ನಿಂ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಅಗ್ನಿಂ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡಋಷೀಗುಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸಾಗುಂ ಹಿತೀರ್ದೇವತಾ ಉಪನಿಷದಃ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸಾಂಹಿಕೀರ್ದೇವತಾ ಉಪನಿಷಸ್ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಯಾಜ್ಞಿಕೀ ದೇವತಾ ಉಪನಿಷದಃ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಯಾಜ್ಞಿಕೀರ್ದೇವತಾ ಉಪನಿಷಸ್ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಾರುಣೀರ್ದೇವತಾ ಉಪನಿಷದಃ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಾರುಣೀರ್ದೇವತಾ ಉಪನಿಷದಸ್ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡಋಷೀಗುಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡಋಷೀಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸದಸಸ್ಪತಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಣಗಂತಿನಂತೆ.
ಐಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಣಗುಂ ಸ್ವಯಂಭುವಂ.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಣಗ ಸ್ವಯಂಭುವಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡರ್ಷೀಗುಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ವಿಶ್ವ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸದಸಸ್ಪತಿಂ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಅದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸದಸಸ್ಪತಿ.
ಹೌದಾ?
Anyway, it doesn't matter order changing.
ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸದಸಸ್ಪತಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸದಸಸ್ಪತಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ.
ಸೊ ಈ ತರ್ಪಣಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನೀವೀತಿ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ is the marga of our tarpana to reach the respective rishis and kanda rishis. So we have got rishi divisions.
ನೀವೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗುರುಗಳೇ? ನೀವೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ವೀತಿ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಉಪವೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಮೂಲ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಶೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೌನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿಂಗ್. Otherwise it will go to right shoulder and otherwise. So it is called
ಇದು ಸರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಂಗ ಹಾಕೊಂತಾರಲ್ಲ
ಅದು ಮಾಲಾ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
ಮಾಲ.
ಅದು ಮಾಲಾ ರೂಪವಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೋದು ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ, ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೀವೀತಿ ಉಪವೀತಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ವೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಗಳೇ, ಅದು ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಡಗಡೆಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು?
ಯಾವ್ದಮ್ಮ?
ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ವೀತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು
ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ವೀತಿ. ಅದೇ ನೀವೀತಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ವೀತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೀವೀತಿ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಕ್
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಣಿಯಂತೆ ಜನಿವಾರ ಹಾಕಿರಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ.
ನೀವೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಲೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಮಾಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡೇನೆ ಋಷಿ ತರ್ಪಣ ಕೊಡೋದು.
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೀವೀತಿ ಉಪವೀತಿ ಎರಡಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾಲಾ ಅಂತ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಮಾಲಾ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂದ್ ತರಹ ಅರ್ಥ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಉಪವೀತಿ, ನೀವೀತಿ, ಮಾಲಾ ಈ ಮೂರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತವನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪವೀತ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶಾಕ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಫರ್ದರ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೀತಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಋಷಿಗಳ ತರ್ಪಣ. ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಜುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ದೇವತೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ. ಋಗ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ದೇವತೆ ಯಾರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಗ್ನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಮವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೋಮ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅಥರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಈಗ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಯಜ್ಞಯಾಗಾದ ಕ್ರತುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಯಜುರ್ವೇದ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿಯಿಂದನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಜ್ಞಯಾಗಾದಿ ಕ್ರತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮನುಷ್ಯರನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ. And so Brahma and Prajapati, in our Puranas, we come to know, I think, there are, in the department of creation, there are 12 Prajapatis. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ತ್ವಷ್ಟ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರಜಾಪತಿ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ತರ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು? ಸೋಮಂ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ. ಸೋಮಂ Soma is Kanda Rishi, and Soma actually means Rudra, also Shiva. Umaya Sahita Sa Uma Soma, and so Soma is also a Kanda Rishi, and Agnim Kanda Rishim Tarpayami. Andre Artharilu Prajapati, Soma, Agni ನವಾಗ ಮೂರು ವೇದಗಳ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಋಷಿ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಋಷೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅಸ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಜ್ಞಾನವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಋಷಿ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಋಷಿ ರೂಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯೋಗಿಗಳು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಯತ್ರ ಯೋಗೇಶ್ವರ ಕೃಷ್ಣೋ ಯತ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಥೋ ಧನುರ್ಧರ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಥ ಇಸ್ ಧನುರ್ಧರ, that is ready to work, and Krishna is a guru Yogeshwara. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾವ ಅವತಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಗುರುಗಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಸೊ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಉಪದೇಶ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್. ಉಪದೇಶ, ಅವನು ಆಯುಧ ತಗೊಂಡು ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡೋಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ರಾಮನ ಅವತಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಇದು ಅವತಾರ ಮಾತ್ರ, ರಾಮನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಉಪದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ರಾಮ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಉಪದೇಶಕರ್ತ, ಬಟ್ ರಾಮ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ and is a special work inspector and work impeller and worker. ಭಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ರಾಮನ ಅವತಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಮನ್ ತರಹ, ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಮ, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎವರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್, ನೋ ಸೋಮಾರಿತನ. ನೋಡಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೀತೆಗೆ ಆ ತರಹ ಕಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ how much angry he becomes. Immediately he picks up a small hullu and then turns it to Mahabrahmastra and throws it to that car. And the Jayanta, who came in the form of a crow, had insistence upon Sita to hurt her very much, and that irritated him so much. That's exactly what Sita quotes. What happened to all the anger of Rama? When a Rakshasa abducted me, क्या हुआ मेरा पति को, that's what she says, मेरा पति को क्या हुआ, what happened to my husband? He's silent, but he doesn't. Then Anjaneya tells her, no amma, he's 24 hours he is thinking about you, don't mistake him, he's my good guru and my good master, he's your good husband. ಅಂತ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸೀತಾದೇವಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. That's interesting dialogue between Anjaneya and Sitadevi. And then finally when Anjaneya was to take off, then Sita tells only this private incident. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಂಜನೇಯನ ಹತ್ರ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಳಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದಿ ಇಂಟಿಮಸಿ ದಟ್ ಸೀತಾದೇವಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಂಜನೇಯ. ಇನ್ ಅದರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಉಪಾಸಕ, ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯೋಗಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ. ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಆ ಪರಾದೇವತಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕುಂಡಲಿನಿ ಯೋಗ ಸಿದ್ಧ, he was able to locate ಸೀತಾದೇವಿ ultimately. ಅದು ಬೇಡ, ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಋಷಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೋಮಂ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷಿಂ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ, ಅಗ್ನಿಂ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷಿಂ, ಯಜುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ನ, ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷೀನ್. ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ we have got 3 categories of God. Devaha, Sarve Devaha, then Vishve Devaha. I think you are taking some notes. So Devaha, Sarve Devaha, Vishve Devaha. ಈ 3 ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ವಾನ್ ದೇವಾನ್ ಕಾಂಡ ಋಷೀನ್ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ. And among the God divisions, there is another group of gods. They are called Samhiti Devaha. ಅಂದ್ರೆ grouping. Samhati means meeting together, or Samhiti, or that is Gnana Goshti, when some seminar or conference or meeting takes place, there are some participants in that. So Samhiti Devataha is another group of people. And in fact, among the gods, there are so many specialized gods are there. Ajanujanu Devanagam, ದೇವಾನಾಗಂ ಅಂತ ಅರುಣಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಅರುಣಪ್ರಶ್ನ you come to know about the division of the gods, or the categories of the gods, and they are the specialization of the gods. ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಈ ದೇವತಾ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅವರು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನವರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕಿಚ್ಚು ಹೆಚ್ಚು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬಾಳ್ಬೇಕು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಗಲು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಂಹಿತಿ ದೇವಾಹ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಉಪನಿಷದಃ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಸಾಂಹಿತಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿಂದ ಉಪನಿಷದಃ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮಿ, ಉಪನಿಷತ್ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್, ರಹಸ್ಯ. ಸೊ ರಹಸ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಮೆಂಬರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. You have to, through Upasana, I think we should be able to uncover the group of that Samhiti Devataha. And again, we have got other subdivision of the gods called as Yagniki Deva, Devataha, Upanishadaha. So Yagniki Deva means eligible to be respected in the yagnas. So they are called Yagniki. Yagna means yaj means to worship. So now ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ದೇವತೆಗಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಜ್ಞಿಕಿ ದೇವತಾ. So even among all people there is a classification and division. You cannot see everybody has got a priority list among friends. So ನಿಮ್ಮ priority list ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾಕೋ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನೀನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲಿ you forget your friends with whom you talk after 4 feet when you get separate from them. ಆದರೆ ದೇವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮರೆಸಬಾರದು. Something like Bhishma, who constantly remembered Krishna in his mind. Deva, even Draupadi also forgot for a while. And even Dharmaraja also forgot sometimes. That's why Krishna tells that Dharmarajan ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ Krishna finally, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, you never remember me mostly, but ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಭೀಷ್ಮಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಭೀಮ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ, ಇವರಿಬ್ಬರೇ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಮರಣೆ ಸುಖಂ. And on the other hand, they remember Krishna and Krishna remembers them. Then the problem solved. QAD. ಆ ತರಹ here also we have got Yagniki Devataha, them also tarpayami. Then most important is Varuni Devatas. You know, Varuna is the water god. He is the king of waters. He is the night causer. So our Varuna Devata Anugraha tumba important. Therefore, we in Punya Vachanam, you make namaskara for Varuna. And even while taking bath, you will also make Varunyaha in Akamarsan Suktam. You say that Imam me Varuna Sudhava Madhyata Mridaya Tvam Avashyurachake Tatva Yami Brahmana Dundu Sandhyavandalli or Varunaha Padinaha Avamarsato Varunyai Namo Namaha. Napka itkoli. Varunyai indra the parivara of Varuna Devatas. Otherwise they are called retinue of Varuna Devatas. So ಎಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಿಗೆ ಫಾಲೋಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ವಾಟರ್ ಗಾಡೆಸಸ್, ನೀರಿನ ದೇವತೆಗಳು. ಅಂತ ನೀರಿನ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಉಪನಿಷದ ಅವನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ತರ್ಪಣೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ತರ್ಪಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಎನಿವೆ ನಾನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು. ದೇವತಾ ಇದು ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. ಸೊ ದೇವತಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಸ್ವರೂಪ ದೇವತಾ. ಸೊ ದೇವಿ ದೇವತಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರುದ್ರೋ ದೇವತಾ, ದುರ್ಗಾ ದೇವತಾ, like that we say, because they are all the embodiment of energy personified. In Durga Saptasati, which you are going to do Parayanam during the Dasara time, I believe, at least you do it. Prathama Charitam, Dvitiya Charitam, Tritiya Charitam, during this the Maha Durga Saraswati Puja day, then Durga Ashtami Puja day, and Maharnavami day, 3 days, 3 charitas. You can read that and get all punyam, a removal of your papam all the other time. Next, we have got Varuni Devatas admele Brahmanagum Swayambhuvam Tarpayami. So we talked about Prajapati, and the Brahma comes at the last strip, you see. And which Brahma you are talking? Everybody is a Brahma. So all people are Brahmas, but even among Brahmas there is a distinction and a marking for the Brahmas. Among the markings done to the Brahmas, here Swayambhuva Brahma. Swayambhuva means self-born. Something like at the Pralayam time, Narayana does not give birth, and automatically when Pralayam is complete, Brahma will be born by himself. So Udbhava, Swayambhuva Mandre, Udbhava, they all come into existence. Therefore, Swayambhuvam Tarpayami. And again, all gods come into in group. Viswan Devagum Kandarshigim Tarpayami. So, Satasaspati andre Bruhaspati. So, Gurugalige Namaskara Madbe, Gurugala chief, Dakshinamurti. He is called Sadaha andre group, a Vidvat Sabha, or a group meeting of all learned scholars. So that's called Sada. And even Rudra is also called Sadasaspati or Sabhapati. Namas Sabhabhyas Sabhapatibhyascha O Namo Namah. Nodira Sadasaspati andre Rudra Guna Agtane, Gurugal. Our Shiva is our Guru. That's why Shivaya Gurave Namaha. We always make a prayer. Guru Agirava Shivanige Namaskara. And yakandre Yella Vidyagalu, Yella sciences, Guru Agirva Shambhu in the Parate. That's why Sada Shiva Samarambham Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Namami Guru Paramparam ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Or in Kriya ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ Narayana Samarambham. So Narayana and Sadashiva, no, Sadashiva is the highest rank of Shiva attained by him, granted and signed with signature and seal by Adishakti Swarupini Parvati. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿಯನ್ನು ಮದುವೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶಿವನು ಸದಾಶಿವನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಲಹರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸದಾಶಿವ ತತ್ವ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ತತ್ವ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್, unravel, unveil for our understanding the Sadashiva Rupam, the truth about Sadashiva Swarupam and his functioning. Therefore, we always making namaskara to Sadashiva Tattva of Lord Shiva. So Sadashiva is our Guru. Sadashiva Samarambham. So knowledge ella Nataraja ಆಗಿರುವ ಸದಾಶಿವನಾಗಿರುವ ಶಿವನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ the knowledge and everything came out from Shiva. His consent is necessary even to kill the Rakshasas. So Shivagnaya Nasyantu Shivagnaya ಅಂತ ನಾವು ದೇವತಾರ್ಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇತ್ತಿಷ್ಠಂತು ಭೂತ ಪ್ರೇತ ಪಿಶಾಚಾಃ ಭೂವಿಹಾರಕಾಃ, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಕ್ಯುಪೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಂತ್ರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶಿವಾಜ್ಞೆಯ ನಶ್ಯಂತು ಅಂತ, ಶಿವನಿ ಆಜ್ಞೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಶ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪವರ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ್ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಜುಜುಬಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸದಾಶಿವ ಆರ್ ಸಾಂಬಶಿವ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸದಸಸ್ಪತಿಂ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಋಗ್ವೇದ elsewhere which will start with Sadasaspati, and so he is the Guru. So ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ in total we are having Sadasaspatim tarpayami anta. So today I think we are, though I wanted to complete, I went into details of these fellows, or these Rishis and all Rishipatnis and Rishiputras and Rishipautras. We are able to remember on this very auspicious day. And next when we meet, I think we'll complete about the, because then we have to change the direction of our Yajnopavitam. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವೀತಿದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನಾವೀತಿ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಜ್ಞೋಪೀತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತೀವೋ ಉಪನಯನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನಾವೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಜ್ಞ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇನ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಯಜ್ಞಾಂಗ ದೇವ ಋಷಿ ಪಿತೃತರ್ಪಣೇನ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಸರ್ವಾತ್ಮಕ ಶ್ರೀ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ಸುಪ್ರೀಣಾತು. ಹೇಳಿ ಬಾಬು ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಒಟ್ಟವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅನೇನ
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಯಜ್ಞಾಂಗ ದೇವ ಋಷಿ ಪಿತೃತರ್ಪಣೇನ ಭಗವಾನ್ ಸರ್ವಾತ್ಮಕಃ श्री परमेश्वरः सुप्रीतो सुप्रसन्नो वरदो भवतु।
श्री परमेश्वरः सुप्रीतो सुप्रसन्नो वरदो भवतु।
So I just have the last line of the whole Brahma Yajna program, and ಇನ್ನೊಂದು small section ಇದೆ that will complete I think next week. ಆಮೇಲೆ whatever your choice, I want to do Mahanarayana Upanishad in detail for you, or the Saura Suktam for you, whatever you choose. I am great. We shall start that next. Whatever you.
Mahanarayana is better ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
Mahanarayana is better.
It will cover almost every aspect of ಸಸ್ವರ ಮಂತ್ರ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸೌರ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ we'll start that Mahanarayana Upanishad, and introductory also will do it, because ತೈತ್ರಿಯ ಆರಣ್ಯಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, and that is both philosophical, religious, philosophical, mystical and cosmic content etc. ಏನು ಭಟ್ ಅವರ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, more than 160 people have seen, viewed in the YouTube above. This is he had a maximum attendance for his lecture. Now he is enjoying it. He is scoring more and more. So in other words, Veda Purusha, Aditya, so Rama Bhagavan, they are all lucky people through Bhagavad case, but has attracted all that. So again he will be talking something about Jagannatha Ashtakam concluding marks. He has been put on 17th ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ that Paramba Yogamaya ಹೆಸರು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಪರಂಬ ಯೋಗಮಾಯ, she is going to speak about Jagannatha Ashtakam. 8 ಶ್ಲೋಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ a wonderful PowerPoint presentation and all that I think she has offered, and so we'll be knowing Jagannatha Ashtakam. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಿಷಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಯನ ಸುಪಥಗಾಮಿ ಭವತುಮೆ ಅಂತ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಕೋರಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. And that's really great. Even today Jagannatha is, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ವಂ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥಂ ಅಂತ. ಏನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಡಿ ಮೈಲೆ ಇದು ಅದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥನ ಅರ್ಪಣಂ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಅರ್ಪಣಂ ತರ. So all distinctions will merge. Something like all rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati merge into ocean, they lose their identity. Picking up ocean water, you can't say this is Ganga water or Kaveri water or Krishna water. No, all identities, individualization becomes universalization. ಆ ತರಹ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. We try to know more about Jagannatha next when we meet. Not this Sunday, next Sunday we'll be having that. Very happy. Om Tat Satu Sahana Bhavatu.
Sahana Bhavato Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahavityam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.